No, but if you're blocking it, you can just smack it.
Okay, I'll tell you. Thank you. Wait, what's your name again? Joe. Thanks, Joe.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm in a really bad spot today.
I'm making myself as thin as possible.
Sorry. Wait, hey, that's blocking my view.
Let's see who's winning for you.
Just take a one picture.
Yeah, that's the guitar tech talking to Joe Dodd now.
Oh, okay.
Guarantee he's talking about me.
Oh, okay.
Guarantee he's talking about me.
Yeah. I was here last year for Van Perry. My friends called me at the show. They're like, what's your name? I'm like, guys.
What's that sign above
Oh, no, this is when they had the runway.
That was fun.
I'm so small.
You're going to Starbucks,
57
man.
is over at Good Morning.
I'm so old school.
Talk in your mic.
I hate being short. God damn it. I hate being short.
I don't know his backpack later, but I'm about to
Oh, it's mine. It's mine.
take one for you. See, I'm going to Jay Cohen later, so.
Just my beats.
We're going beaching.
We're going beaching. You want that
I
in the
didn't bring
background?
And that's where we're going to end it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a slight runway now.
Oh, that's my cell
It's funny that you
Cool.
I love that they're just in sweats.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they actually last year came out at like Jones Beach just in sweats, just hanging out. I was like, wait, is this just their sound?
Above my head.
Hey, Stewie.
Why don't you hold one side, I hold one side, so you want to get the sign,
Behind me, behind me.
Yeah.
I want to hold it behind me.
Oh.
Do it! Oh, we're totally gonna get him to come. Did you see that? Woo!